Okay, so once you submit the application form, you will receive the confirmation mail from the company within 1 to 2 hours. Hi everyone, welcome back to Job for Freshers, and today we have the great opportunity. So if you want to transform your career into the digital marketing world, then this opportunity is for you. So Car24 is hiring for the post of digital marketing intern. So here the salary you can expect is up to 15k to 20k per month. Okay, so this is not going to be a completely work from home, but this is an hybrid model. So here you will be working from home as well as from the office, and the office location is going to be a Gurgaon. So what does the hybrid means? Here you have to visit the office once in a week, okay, and the rest of the days you have to work from the home. So the duration of the internship is going to be 3 to 6 months. Okay, so let's see the role and responsibilities. So as a digital marketing intern, so आपका काम इसमें क्या रहने वाला है? Let's see. So basically here you will be doing the SEO optimization. If you're working in a digital marketing field, or if you have a knowledge of digital marketing, so you will be aware of the SEO, right? That is search engine optimization. So you will be working on that. Apart from this, you will also working on the content creations, research and learning. So this is going to be a day-to-day task as an digital marketing intern. So who can apply for this application? So any graduate or undergraduate can easily apply. So इसके लिए कोई ऐसी degree requirement नहीं है. So if you have any degree, like if you are from BSc, BCom, BTech, BA, so any degree, like, so you guys can easily apply for this. So this skill requirement is you should have a good knowledge of SEO, that is search engine optimization, and the social media marketing. So these are the two requirement, and the other requirement जो कि हर company की requirement रहती है, that is your good communication skills. And the best part here is if you perform well in the internship, then there may be a chances of getting a full-time employment. Okay, so how you can apply for this? So here you will see how to apply for Car24. Just scroll down and click here to apply. So I will put the link in the description as well as in the comment section. From there you guys can easily apply. And if you haven't applied for the Amazon and textbook yet, so go and apply now. All the links are in the description as well as in the I button. From there you guys can easily access. So let's fill out this application form. Just click here to apply. So you will be redirected to the official page. Now here, just click on application. So what you can do is, if you want to just autofill your resume and save the time, you can directly upload your resume and most of the detail will automatically get filled. Or if you want to fill out this application form manually, so what you can do is just fill out your name, last name, email ID, your phone number, here your address. In the profile, just upload your resume. And in the detail, just here you have to select yes or no. Are you willing to work from the Gurgaon office hybrid? So this is going to be yes or no. Are you able to join immediately within 7 to 15 days? Select yes or no. So are you okay with 15 to 20k stipend during the interview? So select yes or no and just click on submit application. Okay, so once you submit your application, so within an hour you will receive the confirmation mail from the company that you have successfully submitted your application. And if your application aligned with the job requirement, then definitely you will receive the further mail from the company. And remember, you will receive the further mail from the company only if your resume gets shortlisted. So make sure your resume should align with the job requirement. Okay, and if you had any question or any queries, do let me know in the comment section. Okay, I will create a Q&A video for that. And yes, for most of the videos, please like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care, stay safe, and bye bye.